With that, Lauren, sorry to keep you waiting. I know you're out in the heat. All right, let's send it out to you. And how's it feeling outside right now, Lauren?
It is hot, and it's only getting hotter, and as it continues to warm up, HVAC technicians are also getting more calls. I spoke with a team member from Central City Heating and Air Conditioning about what this time of year looks like for them and why you may see a delay. Summer is a busy season for HVAC companies, and the heat wave is only adding to the calls.
You take in a ton more calls than you normally do, so it sets your schedule back like a week, a week and a half sometimes. That's every company around.
People are also calling in for quotes for replacements as a precaution.
We also have a lot of people that are calling in now. Their unit's 15, 20, 25 years old, and they know that it's on the fritz.
Chris Miller with Central City Heating and Air Conditioning says preparations ahead of the summer make it less likely you'll have a problem.
Make sure that your filter's changed regularly, every 30 days. If you're not on a maintenance program, get on a maintenance program. Feel comfortable with the company that you choose.
If your unit does go out, it's a race against the clock.
So if every company's full and they're 3 or 4 days behind and it's 95 degrees outside, the last thing you want to do is have to wait a week to be able to get service.
And even if it weren't hot, refrigerant regulations are backing up the repair schedule.
They came out with the new refrigerant, the new equipment, didn't realize that they were going to have to manufacture so much refrigerant at once, I guess. And so there's a time where it's getting harder and harder to get to.
In addition to your AC or a fan, there are other ways to keep your home cooler.
You make sure you close your curtains, keep your blinds closed, make sure the seals around your doors are good, seals around your windows, make sure that you're not keeping your front door open.
Chris Miller says your HVAC system is about 50 or 60% of your power bill. So if you do think you have a problem, check reviews for companies since it will be a big purchase. Robin, I'll send it back to you in the studio where I know it is definitely cooler.
Yes, and you come on and get cool. Lauren, thank you for suffering through the heat for us. We appreciate it.